Hello guys, and welcome to the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite smartphone. This is the box that it came in. It's really nice that it's all sealed up. The phone is available in three colors: black, soft blue, and like this version, the gold one. On the back we see some of the most important features, which I will present to you in the following minutes. Let's open the case. And see the entire content. Right off the back we see the smartphone itself. And also inside we have the USB charger. And this power adapter. So the content of the package is really a small one. Oh, and here also we have something more. And this was really not expected, but it's very nice. So we have the user's guide sheet, the paper, but also we have a protective transparent case for the phone, which again really is very nice. They've included this with the phone already. Very good. Okay, so this is the phone. This is a dual SIM smartphone. You can see right here. And it also supports a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes. So it's really nice. Let's peel this off. But before, I will let it to use it for the functions and for the characteristics. So this Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, as you can see, I've bought it especially for the 4000 milliamps hour high capacity battery. It has 178 grams in weight. It has 149 millimeters in length, 71.7 in width, and 8.8 millimeters in thickness. On the back it has an aluminium case, and the display is an IPS one with 16 million colors and a resolution of full HD plus. So it's really more than the 1080p one. It has 2280 pixels by 1080 pixels, so it's really nice. And also the aspect ratio of the screen, as you can see here, it is 19 by 9, and the 5.84 inch display. Let's peel this off. The phone has a 8-core CPU, a Cortex A53 8-core CPU clocked at 2 GHz. It uses the Qualcomm chipset, and it has the Snapdragon 625 chipset model. And also the GPU is the Adreno 506. The internal memory storage is of 64 gigabytes, another plus here, and a decisive aspect in me purchasing it. The capacity of the storage, as I told you, can be upgraded with another 256 gigabytes of micro SD card, and also it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. Again, really nice. The phone itself has 3 cameras, 2 on the back, right here. One of these cameras has 12 megapixels and the other one 5 megapixels. And the third camera on the front of the smartphone, again it has 5 megapixels, and it can record, although it only has 5 megapixels, it can record in full HD at 30 FPS, and also can take HDR photos. Again, really nice. Not to mention the 12 megapixel one on the back. Also, we have here the fingerprint unlocking system. Again, very nice. Also, this phone is 4G ready. It has a micro USB connection right here, the 2.0 version, and also it supports the Quick Charge 3.0. In order to access the SD card slot, you'll need a paper clip, only a metal one, without any plastic shroud. And right here in the top left side of the phone, you'll insert the this paper clip right here and press down. And don't worry, nothing will happen. You'll see it will pop out just like this. Here you'll install the micro SD card for the extra storage capacity, and also the first SIM card, the SIM 1 here, and the second one right here. Let's see if it powers up. We see this phone uses Android 1. By pressing along this button right here. Okay. So right here you can select the languages at first. I will do these settings to connect the Google account later on. And also the so it's really nice. So this is the welcoming screen. All the apps right here. The Google ones. The phone is incredibly responsive. The Google Photos. And the App Store. It is really incredibly snappy. Right now on Amazon this phone goes for 169 US dollars, and for this price point it's really the best one in on the market, the best smartphone you can buy with these specifications. Primarily I've purchased it for the 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and also 4000 milliamps of battery. So it's really impressive. If you would like to support my channel, you can find the Amazon links in the description of the video, also in the comment section, which will allow you and take you to the Amazon site, and you can purchase it from there. I will be grateful to you if you'll do so, and it will help me bring you more reviews like these ones. What can I say? The phone is really nice. It responds right away, and the screen also is really beautiful. It's all you can you could want in a smartphone for 169 US dollars. Also, here we see the camera. Let's try to take a shot. So we see you can select the HDR on auto. Also up here we can select the flashlight. Right now is turned off. HDR is off also, and this one. Up here has numerous settings in the photo mode. So let's try to take a photo and see how it looks. So in photo mode I see this menu right here. You cannot make it go away. Also here you can select the video mode. And right now it records. The phone is really nice. You have all the options here: portrait, square, panorama, so right here, and also the manual settings, and a short video. Again, I will let it on a photograph, in a photo mode. But it's really nice. This is about it, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also I will be grateful to you again if you'll use the Amazon links in the description. Thank you for watching, and take care wherever you are.